Hey everyone. So we've just purchased ourselves a 32 amp smart battery charger from Kickass for charging the battery in our caravan. So let's quickly do a quick unboxing of the battery charger. Alrighty, let's give this bad boy an opening. So we've got the 32 amp battery charge, the smart battery charger. Because we want to run our fridges and stuff while we're away, when we don't have access to solar, but we've got access to the grid. Let's quickly unbox this and see what we've got inside. So, comes with some Anderson 2 clamps, and obviously the charger itself. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to make a connection that goes from Anderson to ring terminals for the battery so that we can remove the charger if we required to charge any other battery. All right, so before we go installing this into the caravan, we're going to quickly charge up a 300 amp hour battery that we're installing into the D-Max. But let's do our first time startup on the new Kickass 32 amp battery charger. Well, there we go. So this one comes in a 8, 16 and 32 amp settings. It also does your standard battery, your AGMs, and your lithiums. So I'm going to put that on to 32 amps because the battery comes at 30% charge. I'm going to check on 32 amps on the lithium settings. Let's plug her in. So there we go, we're registering 13.2 volts. And she's going to start charging her up for us. There we go, here we're all kicking in. So I've just attached a Anderson plug to the end of 50 amp wire. I'm going to take it up to the caravan now and measure out the length that I need. And here we have the ring terminals put onto the cable. So here it is, all in place, plugged into the wall. All I'm going to do right now is connect the Anderson plugs in, and it's going to quickly do something as well. So if I connect the Anderson plug together, she's going to start up and she's going to do a battery check. There we go. It's saying the battery is good. So mind the wiring mess. I'm still doing wiring management. But let's quickly flick her on. She's set to lithium and 32 amps. So I am just we're going to chuck it on lithium, only 8 amps. I'm going to put 8 amps through for it, because we're not using a large amount. I just want to basically keep the battery topped up. It does have smart stuff inside, but if I'm ever using more than 8 amps, I'll flick it up then. So yeah, that's all my little setup in there. Pretty messy, but at the moment, I'm going to reorganize everything later.